All right, there's a lot of information. Don't worry about the question yet. We're not solving that part today. Let's label our 1s and 2s. This is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 2, this is a 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. You're picking 2. There are a lot of options. So I'm going to start with the congruent ones. So this is a 1, and this is a 1. So you could have written 25x minus 15 equals 23x minus 5, or 1 and this one, 25x minus 15 equals 21x plus 5, or this one and this one, 23x minus 5 equals 21x plus 5. Or you could have decided to go with the supplementary ones. So 1s and 2s. Can't do that one because we don't know what r is. So this is a 1, and this is a 2. So you could do 25x minus 15 plus 10x plus 20 and set it equal to 180. Or you could have done these two, 21x plus 5 plus 10x plus 20 equals 180. Oh, and then we have multiple 2s we could have used. There's lots of, this 2 could equal this 2. 14x equals 10x plus 20. So I'm probably not going to have all the combinations, but if you pick 2 of the same number, your equation looks like this. One angle equals the other. If you picked a 1 and a 2, then you have the long equation. That's all you really need to know. So let's look at number 5. There's only 2 angles here, so there's only one way to start. Let's number the 1s and 2s. So they've given us a 2 and a 2, which means they're equal. So the only equation that you can write is this. It doesn't matter if you have it in this order, it's the same thing. But that's it. So now it's time for your exit ticket. Take your time. If you don't do well, there will be a redo.